What's up everyone, my name is Ben and today I'll be showing guys how to use the new feature called depth control and portrait mode on the iPhone X, XS, XS Max and the iPhone XR. This feature called depth control was introduced just a few months back at the Apple conference where they introduced the new iPhones, and this feature is available with iOS 12, and what it will allow you to do is take control of the focus effect and the lighting effect after you have successfully taken a picture. So how you can do that? First off, you need to go into the camera, in the modes select portrait, and then just follow the instructions that you see on the screen. So make sure that the depth control effect is enabled. You will see a orange or yellow light at the top enabled called depth control, and after you see that sign you can take a picture and you can edit it after the fact. So after you have successfully taken a picture, you can go into photos or gallery, whatever you want to call it, go into the picture and make sure that you see the portrait sign in the top left corner, then click on edit in the top right corner and go into the editing section. And after you're there, you will be able to control the focus effect or the depth control by just adjusting the slider. So if you drag it all the way to the left, you will have a very blurry background, and if you drag it all the way to the right, you will basically have no blur. You can also change a lot of different lighting options, so you have natural light, studio light, mono light, and a bunch of others that will just give you some incredible looking photos. You can just experiment with these settings and find out which one you like best, and then just click save, and that's basically it. You have successfully adjusted your photo using the portrait mode on your iPhone, as well as taking control of the depth effect or the depth control. Hopefully guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop me a like rating down below, as it really does help me out a lot. Comment down below if you have any video requests. Maybe you need some help with your phone, whatever it is, let me know, and subscribe so you'll be notified when I upload a new video.